Continuing on, CNC break number 5529. We have Stickwork and Ultimate. Start off number 13 of 40 for the Montreal Canadiens, Yvon Cornway. Yvon Cornway. What a crappy goal. We've got a dual stick number to 35 for the St. Louis Blues, Chris Pronger and Al MacInnis. Pronger and MacInnis. And we have a random, which is a nice one, number 32 of 40, which would be a triple stick between Pittsburgh, Edmonton, and Montreal, Mario Lemieux, Wayne Gretzky, and Maurice Richard. Wow. That's a nice random. Now on the Ultimate, we've got for the Chicago Blackhawks 299, Jonathan Toews. Johnny T. For the Tampa Bay Lightning, number 299 rookie autograph, Andrei Vasilevsky. Andrei Vasilevsky. That's nice. Numbered 3 of 25. Signature patches for the Dallas Stars, Bill Guerin. Bill Guerin. For the Boston Bruins, debut threads patch number to 100, Seth Griffith. Seth Griffith. For the Chicago Blackhawks, number to 99, Patrick Sharp. And we've got for the Dallas Stars, number to 150, Jason Spezza.